guys, I am so excited to unbox this. I got this pretty cute gift from my fiance for the Valentine's Day, and I just wanted to share my unboxing with you guys. So let's get started. It is so small, so I thought it is going to be like a wallet or earrings or scarf, but he said no. So I was like, what could that be, because it's kind of small. And this is how it looks like with all the cute ribbons. Just gonna rip it open, and ta-da-da-da. Inside, this is how it looks like, and it is, oh my god, it's so pink. It's that crazy cute baby pink. It looks like a wallet on chain to me at first, but it's actually not. So it looks like that. It's an interesting shape because most of the time, like wallet on chain, it goes like this, it goes sideways. So it's rare to see something that is in this shape. My boyfriend said he actually he was looking for a phone case for me to carry my phone, but then he thought, what if I change my phone in like a few months time, because 11 Pro is out, then it would be like a waste of money if I can only use it a few months. So then he got me this bag. He said that the SA recommended him this one, and it fits. Actually, the zip goes all the way to the bottom. Interesting. So let's look at the inside. It has this really cute baby pink with gold hardware, and inside there are two compartments. Not sure if you can see it clearly. Yep, so like that, there are two compartments, and let me try to fit something in. My phone, of course, first thing first. So I got my phone and my card holder, so I can fit my phone in. So there are actually two more card slots. There is one here, and then there is one on the other side, so it fits two cards. So this is my card holder. I don't have a wallet because I also have the classic flap, and it's quite small and it wouldn't fit like a normal size wallet, so I don't have a wallet for a long time. I just use a card holder. So card holder, and what else do I need? And then an NSW mirror, so put that in, and then a lipstick. Can I close it? And some cash. Just gonna put that in. Yeah, I don't have a wallet, so I just use a money clip and some cash. And let me try to zip it. I can zip it, but I think that's it. You can't fit anything more than that. And the stripe is actually quite long, and I just made a knot to it, but otherwise it will look like that. So yeah, I'm sure I can also fit my keys in. It's so petite. I can only put it on top of my card holder and then try to zip it. I don't think it has any room for anything else, but that's it. But it's such a cute small leather goods, and the pink is so cute. Like the gold wear is so cute. It's just my dream. This is in lambskin. My boyfriend really preferred the lambskin. When we went to Paris to get the classic flap, we also like fell in love with the lambskin as soon as I touch it. I know that the other like calf skin would last so much longer, but the texture is so much different, and I really prefer something that is so baby soft that I can't stop touching it, you know, like, yeah. And yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing for this little cutie pie here. Let me know if you have any question down below and I'll try to answer them. Okay, bye.